Hey y'all, it's editing Malcolm here. This video was supposed to come out a few weeks ago. Yeah, it kind of got delayed because I was lazy. But anyway, enjoy the video. Good morning, everybody. It's King Malcolm back with another video. It's been a while since I made a video for y'all. I know, it's a long while. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It is currently 8:24 in the morning. Hopefully that'll flip. I probably won't. It's been a while. I missed you all. See, this look a little bit better. Let me set y'all down. So if you haven't read the title of this video, we're doing a pack with me. I'm going out of town this weekend. This video should, I'ma lie and say it'll be up before I go, but I'ma also lie and say if it's not up before I go, we'll see it when I get back. So I'm just in my room vibing. I got music on in the background. Hopefully it's low enough that you won't hear it. But yeah, I just wanted to vibe with y'all, talk with y'all. Haven't seen y'all in a while. Hopefully this will be a quick video because it's hot. It's hot as all get out in this room. Trying to get y'all at a good angle so we can see what we're doing. But yeah, it's been a while, so I was like, let me make a video for y'all. So I'm going out of town to go see some family. It's been a while since I've seen them too. Hey fam, what's up with y'all if y'all watching? Hopefully y'all watching. look at the ponytail. I just got up. Like, you can peep the messy. My room is messy as hell. Like you can already peep the messy ass closet in the back. I'm trying not to cuss in videos. But anyway, so I'm going out of town on Friday. And I was like, well, let me take the kingdom with me. Well, not with me, but at least let them watch me pack. So we're gonna start with shoes. I'm gonna be there for like 3 days, 2 nights. Hotel terms. But yeah, I'm going to see family. I'm gonna leave on Friday. Right, so I'm taking, I'll get into that. So we're starting with shoes. First pair of shoes going in here. Look at these going in the bag. Are these Jordan 11 lows, the blue snakeskin. I think I only wore these like twice. So these are going in the bag first, one at a time. I feel like it's gonna be a good weekend. You know, a good weekend. It's my grandpa's birthday, so I'm sitting on the floor if you haven't noticed either. And like this was a creative choice for y'all and y'all alone because my knee hurts from work so bad. So like y'all better appreciate it. This was a creative choice for y'all. But yes, I'm going up there on Friday. And because my anxious ass. So I'm taking the Greyhound. And I've never taken it. Never taken it a day in my life. Right. So like my bus leaves at like 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'm back. I had dropped y'all. Casualty. But like I was saying, my bus leaves at 6 o'clock in the morning. Cause I don't know why I do that. I literally get off work at 2 in the morning. So like, I don't know why I decided like that was okay. But yeah, the bus leaves at like 2. So, not 2, it leaves at 6. So like, that's why I'm packing today because it's Wednesday and I leave on Friday. But like, there's not gonna be enough time to do that in between work. I don't think how this is situated with this My hair is like dark brown now. Like, can you see it? Probably not, because it's not enough light in this extra dark one. But next up, we're putting in these Jordan 5s. What are these? They're like reverse Concords or whatever. Never worn these. I haven't got a chance to wear these, so I was like, why not? You're going to visit the fam, put on a shoe you haven't worn. So like, boom, boom, I'm probably wear like my black Air Maxes, but those are downstairs. But I'm probably gonna wear those when I leave. So like I have like 3 pairs of shoes. Next up on the bag is socks and underwear. Socks going in first on the side, and then underwear, of course. So we're gonna start there, and then also because I got like my mind moves like a mile a minute, so we gonna put in our toiletries next. So we got lotion going in, and like I have to put it in now, I'm gonna forget. And then our toiletry bag, and in the bag we got, you know, body wash, shampoo, mouthwash, brand new mouthwash. Some Fenty Skin for the face. We got toothpaste. We've got deodorant. So you make sure you got your toiletries. You know, I like to make sure I have those. I am going to the store tomorrow to get whatever stuff that I missed. So like, some stuff that I bring is not making it into the video. It's some stuff in the room that I'm putting in later. It's just like I gotta go to work tonight. So like I'm probably gonna add extra socks or underwear and like pajamas obviously, but I just need to make sure what I have to take to work first. There is no light in this room. So next, I'm keeping it casual on this trip, but like I am gonna put some jeans in here just in case we go somewhere that requires a jean. And I'm also bringing a book bag, so whatever doesn't fit in here will go in the book bag, because anybody who knows me knows I don't pack light. I know meaning of the word. So we got these like blue distressed ones, and then we got these black distressed ones. Like these are one of my favorite pairs of jeans too, and these will go well with those Jordan 5s. So next up, we got some shorts for like the activities that I know we're gonna be doing. So like the vibe is giving real casual, real shorts, bro. You know, real casual shorts and t-shirts. So like, boom, shorts and t-shirts. Shorts, we got these blue Nike shorts going in first. I kind of like to separate my bags by the outfit. And then we got these black shorts that I think are from Boohoo Man that go on this side. And then also, the vibe for this weekend is also giving white t-shirts. So this is just like a plain white pocket tee that I got from Walmart. Just real plain white pocket tee. I am gonna add in like some, you know, well, clothes to wear to come back home, but like other clothes. And then this is a white Ralph Lauren t-shirt. And this shirt, I don't even know if you can see it, but there used to be a stain in this shirt, and like literally the past week has been nothing but getting the stain out of this shirt. Like, I mean, I can see it a little bit. Hopefully nobody else can see it, but like, so then tomorrow I just gotta go get like a luggage tag and some other things. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm gonna walk around the room a little bit. Water break, obviously. Like, I mean, I'm gonna throw my glasses and stuff in, sunglasses. It's really dark on this side of the room. Next, we're just gonna grab our jewelry, which is in the box, but have it in this convenient little pouch. I don't like how my facial hair looks. Can we just talk about that? And then there's a pouch on the inside of the bag, which I'm gonna set y'all in the bag. That I'm gonna put this in here like that, so I know where it is. And I'm gonna add like of course, another set of clothes, probably some sweatpants. I know I'm wearing a hoodie when I leave because I heard it's cold. I never rode a Greyhound, but I heard that they're like cold. So like, hopefully, I look like somebody's little sister right now. Literally, y'all, I woke up to make this just for y'all. That's pretty much all we're packing right now. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, like I'm gonna come back to y'all later. I'm not. So that's probably gonna be where we leave off. So I mean, we got a nice little bag packed and ready to go. But I wanted to get the majority of it done today. So then that way, cause like tomorrow I gotta go run some errands, get a luggage tag for this bag. I'm not gonna vlog. I was gonna lie to y'all. I was gonna lie to y'all again and be like, oh my god, I'm gonna take y'all with me tomorrow. I'm not. But I am going to Starbucks. I found I had like $12 off on my Starbucks card. So like, shout out to the Starbucks card, my Starbucks card on the app. But like, yeah, obviously I gotta add my hair stuff too. If my sister's seen this, Dejanay, don't you wanna braid my hair? Let me know. Let me know. But yeah, I still gotta add my hair stuff, maybe some sunglasses and other stuff like that. But I'm pretty much packed for the most part. Got my clothes and my shoes in, my main outfits. So oh my god, I can never get the angle right, because I'm not using, I don't have a tripod. So like, I do have a tripod, I can't find the tripod, so like I can't never get the angle right. But I miss y'all. If y'all's new, y'all's if y'all are new, if you're new, welcome. I hope you stay, please stay. Shout out to the folks who've been watching the videos in the labs while we've been gone. I'm probably gonna do an unpack with me when I get home, so like look out for that. It's probably gonna be the Monday after, because listen, the way that I plan my mind, when I get home, that same night I'm going to work. So like my mind, how I work. But y'all be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna probably do an unpack with me, so look out for like Monday or Sunday. Okay, Monday or Tuesday. But it's been good catching up with y'all. Let me know what's new with y'all in the comments. I'll reply. I'll always reply. Let me know what's up with y'all, what's new with y'all. So yeah, we'll see y'all again soon. Peace.